Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for divorce in West Bengal. First, it is crucial to understand the legal grounds for divorce, which vary based on the specific law applicable to your marriage. Next, you must determine whether both parties agree to the divorce, leading to a mutual consent process, or if it will be a contested matter. Finally, begin gathering all necessary documents, including your marriage certificate, address proofs, and identity documents, to prepare for the application. For a mutual consent divorce, both spouses must jointly file a petition with the family court, clearly stating their agreement to dissolve the marriage. Following this, there is a mandatory cooling-off period, typically ranging from 6 months to 18 months, before the first motion hearing. After this period, both parties must appear for the first motion. Subsequently, a second motion petition is filed, leading to the court granting the final divorce decree. If a mutual agreement is not possible, you will pursue a contested divorce. This process begins by filing a petition outlining specific legal grounds, such as cruelty, desertion, or adultery. The court will then issue a summons to the other party, who must file a written statement in response. Subsequently, both sides will present evidence, examine witnesses, and engage in cross-examination during court hearings, which can be a lengthy process. Throughout the divorce process, whether mutual or contested, engaging a qualified family law attorney is highly recommended. Your lawyer will guide you through the legal complexities, prepare necessary documents, and represent your interests in court. Once all legal formalities are completed and the court is satisfied, it will issue the final divorce decree, officially dissolving your marriage. This document is crucial for all future legal purposes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.